Run towards that. Hey boy! Hey boy, it's a fucking raven, hey boy! So it's
Yo, lads.
hey boy, yeah,
Hey
nice,
boy.
nice, yes. Yes, Harry. This is amazing.
Fucking Digipop!
Yeah.
I've got a beer with me right now. Yeah.
I've got a fucking glass of milk like a 7-year-old.
I've just got the dregs of my coffee.
You need some cookies.
I've literally got some chocolate.
You're like Alex.
Listen, what are you doing up at this time?
Yeah,
I know. I'll be off in 15 minutes, lads.
Yeah. As soon as my head touches the pillow.
Yeah, which I've actually been loading the game for 20 minutes already, and it's still going.
Okay.
So we're going to go to the burning plains, which is, if you look on the map quickly, because that's where all the birds are and we can get feathers, and then that's on the way to our base.
Getting the birds, whee! Alright.
Did you plant some coffee, Louis?
Oh, no, I didn't know.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Fucking Louis! Hey boy!
What does that sign say on our base? What does it say?
Cool house.
Did you need to ask, John? Really?
That's funny. That's like your first ever gang.
Yeah.
First ever treehouse.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to be on this ladder? That's why you're on the wrong ladder. You want to be on this ladder, Matt, where I am?
Tone, Mike. Tone.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so when you come off this, when you come off the top of this, just like kind of somehow.
Yeah.
To be honest, it's
Wrong
pretty
ladder.
tricky. It's pretty tricky. It is trickier than my voice seems to say.
What was the name of every?
Mike has less disdain for you than his voice.
Yeah. Mike just goes into talking like, oh,
Did you break your leg?
fucking broke my fucking leg.
Oh, Jesus.
No, I didn't.
Oh, damn.
I'm
Damn it.
fine.
Alright, let's do it.
If I kill myself, will I get all my health back?
Yeah.
Let's go, boys. See you later.
Where are you?
I can fucking run as fast as you can go on that bike. Look at me. I'm fucking
Fucking
running
hell, yeah.
past you, man. I'm fucking overtaking you.
Right, boys.
Do I have to jump across these fucking spikes? Okay, here we go. Yes!
Nice, Matt. Beautiful. I
Did
saw
you
that.
fucking see
I
that?
saw that. Yeah. Right, let's do it.
How do I run?
Let's shift.
Shift.
Shit!
There's a few. All right. So if you do here, Matt, this way to behind you.
Fucking.
Turn around.
Is that a zombie or is that you?
It's me.
Okay, fine.
It's like, I don't see your screen. Press M.
Can someone that's not Mike tell me how you know if you've got a how you know if you've got your fucking thing loaded? Because it's not.
You should be. Let's see. Where are you?
I'm here, but look.
No,
if
you
I
haven't.
get
You
my-
haven't got your arrow. Oh yeah. So.
Look, yeah, but that's just me holding some fucking arrows.
Get your bow out.
You're going to need a bow with that, so.
Just.
Nice, thanks, mate.
Just
How do I
here.
pick 'em up?
Press E.
Oh yeah,
Nice.
there we go.
And
Nice.
Press R. Yes.
Game on!
Look at him.
Yes,
And there's
fucking here we
Ryan.
go.
Look on your map. You'll see it.
Oh,
Oh, there's a bird. There's a bird. Let's get this bird. Come to me, west. First bird.
Yeah, okay.
Whoever hits it first. It'll attack you though, so be careful. Here it is. See it? Let's hunt it.
Is it?
It only
Oh,
happens
here it
in
is.
the-
It's
in the-
here.
Oh fuck.
It's hard to hit.
Yeah, it is.
Where is it? Oh, whoa!
So we want the feathers from it. It will attack because it's easier when it attacks to hit it.
I can get that little bastard, no problem.
Fuck.
Got it once. Whoa, shit! It went for me. Got it.
Oh,
Oh, I got you. I got it just as. All right, cool. I'll get the feathers.
Oh, as usual, I'm the fucking bait.
when you can pick up. Yeah, I'll get them.
I've just been speaking with my fucking mic muted for 5 minutes, wondering why everyone's ignoring me.
Like we planned it. So you can take everything at once by pressing
material
R.
you've ever done in your life.
Oh shit!
Where are you, Matt?
I don't think I'm that far away, but I keep fucking.
What color the things on?
What's that?
Ah!
That sounds.
Are you transforming that?
Help me! Louis, I can see your blue skirt! No, I fucking ran into a zombie and then fucking stood on fire. I've got...
Don't run.
What? I can't fucking defend myself!
I'm right next to you, but I can't defend you if you keep.
Help! I'm like the drowning man who drowns his thing.
Has anyone got any health or?
Is it the one with the satellite on? Alex,
The
building.
It'll say Dishong Tower if you go around the bottom.
Oh, this says Higashi Pharmaceutical.
Oh, that's like the second biggest one. That's
Okay, yeah.
still good.
So what's the game then, lads?
Here, Higashi Tower. We're going to see if we can, like the raid, work our way up to it and defeat the boss.
Fucking yeah.
There's like
away. Yeah.
radioactive
Oh, let
terrorist
somebody get the
zombies.
fucking the raid
Okay,
soundtrack on.
Yes, great choice.
Beast.
I'm going to put
Fucking
that on
hit
now.
that shit.
Yep. Oh, fuck. Zombie on me. Fuck, I went out to put Spotify on. I'm stood in the middle of the fucking building on my own. Just putting Spotify on, what an idiot. There's some zombies in there already. So let's see how far
What
we
is
can
it?
get up.
This building?
Yeah, Higashi Tower.
Higashi.
Higashi Tower, here we are.
I'm gonna put the fucking gash in Higashi tonight. Louis, is there one near me?
There's zombies in this
really?
room. Here, there's zombies in here.
no.
No.
What is this?
Oh, whoa, zombie just dropped.
Zombie just
Fuck! Zombie! Zombie! Zombie!
Got it. In it.
Fucking hell!
Who's that?
Sure.
Isn't that Jim Carrey? There's Jim Carrey!
There's three here.
Nice.
Another one. Nice shot. You right in there?
Yeah.
Another one.
You on the
I've got my elbows ready.
Right,
Elbows
that's amazing.
well ready.
Ryan, are you doing anything or just standing still?
I'm crouching and whacking it with my mind.
Amazing, the way it looks.
I'm stood still doing nothing and I feel so gay. What guys?
Right, let's go as high up as we can.
All these topless guys just sledgehammering down the fucking wall.
Fucking cloth, just fucking stare at both. You're just staring at the door, holding your guns up, waiting. Look at the
Just
keep
going
going.
slaves.
Let's go and help Louis. Where is he? Are you on the roof, Louis, or what? You on the roof, Louis? You're downstairs? Oh fuck, alright. Go downstairs. How far downstairs?
Lagging out. Oh dear.
Where are you?
Oh dear, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, there you are, Louis. Jesus, these are dangerous ones.
Where the fuck are you?
They're just below you. Fucking hell. Yeah, just one down. It's nuts down here, boys. We need you.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking can't. I don't know where.
We need you, boys. We need you.
It's so dead.
Oh my
Fuck it. Fuck it. Check this out, boys.
That was fucking brilliant.
Where are you, Louis?
I'm just fucking
You good? You alright? Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Fuck, I can't believe you were just in here all that time on your own. Jesus.
I'm lagging out so
Yeah,
bad.
it's fucking hardcore. It's hardcore for me as well, yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting. There's a dude here and I can't put too much light to put him.
Yeah, man.
I'm behind him.
We're stunned.
We made it to the good place. Let's quickly loot up. Oh, one up there. Dead.
Huh?
It's alright, guys. Right, let's quickly loot up because we need to leave. Just do some looting, boys.
Can't do anything.
Fuck's sake! I don't know what's going.
This is
Oh
mental.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Are you on the roof?
No, we're here.
Hey, we're right next to you, Mo.
Oh, amazing.
This is mental.
Oh, that was
There's
mental.
got to be better loot than this. Nah. Okay.
We've got
What
10
the
minutes,
fuck?
boys. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Because I've got an AK basically. So if
Okay,
they run
so
at me,
2
I've got a
minutes in
chance
real
with that.
time.
Drink your beer. Fucking hell, there's zombies everywhere already.
Come on, let's go. This is it.
Yeah,
Oh
it's time to
shit,
turn,
it's
boys.
night. Oh fuck!
There you go. Any zombie
They
already
run.
running.
Zombies run now, but they're still the same
I'm
to kill.
following you, Egg Jerky.
Yep.
So if we picked up our bedrolls, we should spawn back at the base if we get killed.
No, we don't. Ryan spawned
No,
into a
no,
random
no.
place.
It is north, isn't it?
Towards me.
What's happening, boys?
Towards yellow. Ryan's right.
Oh, yellow.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, it's
Gone down
north.
a fucking
Yeah.
right
Hey,
down
dudes,
London.
I'm fucking outside and it's night.
Yeah, I know we
Yeah.
are. We all are. You just run towards north. Run north.
Just run north.
That's the scariest thing to hear.
Yeah, it is.
Just run north.
Just run north, lad. I've lost my fucking helmet, this one.
And you can sneak past and do so.
We're hunted.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Whoa. I'm on fire, but it's making me run.
I accidentally
Run,
ran into
run.
the fucking water. Fuck, how do I get around the lake? Shit.
You can
Just
swim
make
across.
sure you aim up, Matt. Aim up.
Can swim it?
Yeah, yeah.
You can swim, but you gotta aim up.
It says you cannot breathe. Oh, aim up.
Mike,
Nice.
where are you?
Are you in the burning plains yet, Louis?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Alright, cool. So I'm behind you. So that's fine.
Go straight down, that's it, or you can go across.
There's a zombie here. But
Don't-
if you can
yeah,
see
yeah.
me, just
I can
go up
see
to
you.
my left.
Keep away, this
Yeah.
way.
It's not too bad if you can sneak and you see them first.
There's a big guy coming down the hill in front of it.
Where are you, Louis?
Right behind
He's
him.
running
towards
after you,
Louis.
Mike, Mike,
he?
behind you.
I can't see anything.
Fucking hell, that was close.
Nice.
That was close as fuck.
It was.
That was
Right.
scary as fuck. That scared the shit out of me. That fire zombie running at me.
Oh, it was just a cactus. Thank God.
Yeah,
I'm having another beer.
This game really captures the boredom of swimming across a river without it.
You're on fire.
John's on fire.
Yeah.
Why does that always happen?
He got a beer out and it went away. Okay,
just
John has another beer for you. Louis,
Oh,
you're invisible.
yeah.
We can't see you. We just saw a beer land. There's a beer here.
I'm trying to chase it down the hill.
Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Zombie. Just keep spamming E and putting your
Oh
hand
my
around
God.
it.
Come on, Ryan, you're so close.
This is amazing. We're at night, about to get killed, like proper scared, and Louis, invisible Louis, just chasing a beer. If we die because of this beer,
Oh shit!
Standard.
if
I've
we
only got
die because of this beer,
2 hit points.
Let's just fucking go. Jesus.
well, I'll get it. I'll get it.
Can you catch it if you can get it?
Yeah, I'll drop it here. Ready,
Yeah,
Louis?
do it on flatlands. Jesus.
Come
Hey,
on,
what
there
the
it is.
fuck? I still can't get it. Been lagging out, eh? What the
Is
fuck?
your inventory full?
Maybe my inventory's full.
That'd
Fucking
be
hell.
amazing. That'd be
Just-
amazing.
I must be
It will be.
miles
It's full.
away.
Amazing.
What's
Amazing.
that?
That's amazing, Louis.
That is funny.
What's that, Alex?
Progress, you're not too far away. You and Ryan are about the same distance away.
Oh,
Are
fucking
you
hell.
still swimming, Matt?
Here we go.
I just was coming, guys. There's
Just
something
got
to
out,
watch.
mate. That was a 15-minute fucking swim.
I can see the light.
We're not too far.
Jesus H. God bastard Christ.
He's running at ya.
Where?
Why is Louis invisible, man?
Dead.
Oh Jesus! I just shot
The
John in the
zombies see
head.
Louis.
Oh, we
No,
hit
you're
the.
right.
Yeah, we're at the base. We've made it.
Fucking ace, man. We made it. Fuck.
Fucking hell. I didn't
Not in
expect
yet. Not in yet. I could fuck this. I could fuck the entry.
Let's all die in the spikes. Oof. Wait, yeah. Cool. If you want me to
No,
put
the
a
question
box
is,
down,
all
I can do
four of us
that.
go out and try and get the other boys back because they're
Yeah,
not far
I'm gonna
away.
put my bedroll down, and then I think we should go out and try and
Yeah,
save
yeah.
the boys. Like,
Fuck,
I need to
yeah,
get
that sounds awesome. That sounds like an awesome mission.
yeah.
Ryan, I'm gonna run to you just because it's more fun to run together.
You're mental. I'm running towards you.
Boys, are we going to head out?
Yeah, let's head out and try and save
we
these
do.
boys.
Yeah,
I'm
I
just
need
going to
to,
see some ammo.
It's,
if
kind
we
of, it's
need
quite romantic, this, Ryan.
I know.
Running
Has everyone done their
towards each other
bedrolls?
Across,
Yep.
Yeah,
across a burning plane.
Let's go.
All the
Where?
stuff that Ryan's
Oh
collected.
fuck! No, I
Um,
think we passed each other.
Yeah, I think we did.
Fucking hell, John.
Here you are. Here you are.
There you are. I've got you.
That's amazing. Fucking hell.
Yes, Ryan. Here we go, mate. Here we go. These fast bastards.
Oh,
Oh!
the onion. Where is it?
Let's go, let's go.
Come on, guys, we need to go.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, there he is. Right.
Fucking
We're running with you. Or
Oh,
Has anyone got beer or coffee?
No, not with time, because the zombies on them. I'm just running. You got a gun, Alex?
You, is it?
You not got them either?
I'm just running.
I haven't taken one, no, because I'll make it to them before I need it.
He's very much on me in that Denny constellation.
If you can just
You
dodge him,
alright?
Yeah.
because when you run out of
Keep
stamina.
running. Yeah, I can see you boys. Keep running towards us.
Is that a torch? Oh no, I've been stunned.
Fuck.
Fuck! Ryan!
Jump,
Ryan!
press jump
I've got
loads,
one.
press jump loads. Press jump.
Ryan, I literally haven't got anything. I haven't got anything.
Got him.
Oh god, there's another one. Go B. Go.
Help!
Oh god, he's on me again.
Got him.
You're definitely on fire there, John.
Is this all of us?
Let's go back.
Go back. Right, run. Run, Matt, run.
I'm
Following the man across the
We're just naked in a field, Matt. Hey,
I know. I've got nothing.
Where's
I've got
Matt?
nothing.
Where is he?
Where are you? Just run with us. Come on.
I'm there. I'm fucking behind you. Following-
Fucking hell, boys, well played. Jesus,
That was
what a
good.
mission. That was the best
Right.
mission yet.
Awesome.
Woo.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Fucking hell.
That's what it's like. Go for a swim without any of your mates. 20 minutes, run across a field, and fucking get put to work. Make some stew.
Yeah. We can cook, so I'm gonna put the eggs and corn on now and potatoes
It's so completely like what this would actually be like. So it's like, is anyone cooking? Has anyone got anything? Anyone got anything? Got fucking loads of arrows and coffee plants.
Anyone got any beers? That on the floor trying to get that beer and Louis didn't have the thing.
Someone desperately being like,
Fucking amazing.
guys, I'm really hungry. We really, and like, yeah, Louis chasing a beer.
Does anyone have any glass jars they want filling up?
Horde.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Horde?
Oh, horde. Because there's more players on now, so the hordes are bigger.
Nice.
Fuck. Yeah. So that's you fucking
Yeah.
dead bastards.
Who's the motherfucking man? Give me some coffee.
Choice.
Imagine if you could eat 6 baked potatoes like that.
Where's the beans at? Like,
That's fucking crazy.
look at this lying around the fucking food box. It's like it's fucking we're on benefits.
Yeah. It's fucking food.
For getting the doll.
1 minute.
I want my boiled egg.
Yeah.
No time.
Matt, are you still here? I think he's muted for ages again.
For fuck's sake!
I was like, why is he not chipping in?
Fucking hell!
This is brilliant.
I'm going down to loot those zombies. I'm getting my loot from the zombies.
I was feeling so fucking,
Were you cracking loads of jokes?
feeling fucking well lonely there.
Cracking so many jokes.
Yeah, like fucking no one's saying anything to old Mole. Fuck's sake. I've got one of these mics that's got it on a little fucking thing that's really easy to press by mistake.
Who's shooting? Who's shooting the gun? Jesus Christ! It's daytime. One zombie. John's got his gun out.
And I still haven't killed him.
It's not finished shooting.
Got it.
Fuck me. Come come on, that wasn't yours to take.
I know what. You
There's
put
no water
15
supply
bullets
near
into
you,
it.
but-
Yeah, we're next to a lake, so it's not too bad.
So what's the grand plan for getting everything over?
Well, basically, you can't move forges and stuff. You have to rebuild them, which is well possible. But you kind of want to build them where you want to have them. But I think Alex's idea, which I think makes sense, of making a little base and we could start putting like a forge. The main thing is having stuff to do at night. So we want
The
all the
summer
gear
house.
there. Yeah,
Can
the
we
summer
call
house.
the small
yeah.
base the summer house?
Yeah. Matt died.
No, you shouldn't.
Fuck's sake.
Amazing. You're right, Matt.
Yeah, I just did that by fucking backing into the spikes 4 times in a row. Fucking hell.
What's that?
And if you hit it with a pickaxe, you get it, or you can just pick it up.
No, you just pick it up. It's just a piece of like
That was the
like
best
pipe
shot. That
kind
was the best shot I've ever done in this game.
of-
So I'm gonna tell you what.
Hey,
Fiber.
Mom, on my screen, you're not walking
He's
around.
getting
you're like,
dragged along. He's getting dragged by the bike.
Dragged along by the bike.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
What is it?
Your foot is attached to the back of the tyre and it's dragging you along the floor.
Oh no, I got off.
Reverse. Go back on and
That's
reverse.
really fun.
Hang on,
That's
hang on.
really
Go back
fun.
on and reverse.
Just lying down.
Brilliant.
Shit.
What was it? Clothes, John.
That's insane. Try that again for John. Get back on it.
Wait. Is it working?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What?
There
Come and
we
look
go.
at Matt. Jump him.
Is this how I do it? Is this
I'm
how I do
jumping
it,
you. I
guys?
jumped you.
Is this how I go? This is how it works, right?
Can you see it as well, John? Is he on the bike or getting dragged?
No, he's sort of half on it.
Oh, for me, he's getting dragged off the back. That's some action. I don't mind, like, I like the mining part, but after the action of last night, like, and the hordes that have been coming today,
It's the
it's
hordes
pretty
are
fucking
good.
cool. Yeah, I've been enjoying the hordes. I've been enjoying watching you fucking blast your shotguns. 4 of them around you while you're shooting shotguns, getting eaten alive, but you keep shooting till your last breath.
Yes, that is it. You're hungry when you're in the
Nice,
middle of
nice Matt's been running around holding a trophy.
Yeah. I was thinking of swapping it with the bits of paper that
I
I've
remember
also
before
got.
the apocalypse when I was
Wait,
nice.
You
Mike,
should put your paper in it.
Mike, how do you like this one?
Nice, yeah, it's nice. But the trophy, running around the apocalypse holding a trophy is fucking brilliant.
Tell you what not to do. Don't pack what you think are bullets because they look like bullets, but it's actually a bandage.
Oh, shit.
That's why I won't reload.
The bandage gun.
Healing all the zombies.
I'll tell you what, that's what I need.
Making them
That
stronger.
zombie's wounds look
Whatever
fucking
you
well
like.
bad.
Look at that big building, Mike.
Yeah,
You're
I've been
right.
in there, so it will be open, but the loot will have
okay. I
respawned.
want a library.
Yeah, we want
I need a
one that
library.
hasn't been gone in. These army buildings are good, but watch for mine.
Please, I'll help me about that.
Another thing that's good to get is what's it called? You can get a
Egg sandwich.
a skill that
egg.
it's a
egg
skill
omelette.
that
Egglet.
it's a skill.
Whoa.
Egglet.
Skill.
I just
Egglet.
Egglet skill.
Egglet.
Skill.
I just found a pistol and some bullets
Nice.
in a toilet.
I don't even know what I was going to say now.
Egglet skill is all you need to think about.
Get the egg.
You get a
just-
skill that means you get more higher quality loot. Loglet. Lag egglet. Everything turns into egglet. Alright,
Fuck.
so this way, Louis. I don't know if Ryan's still here. Ryan, you. Oh no, you died.
So I'm just giving some.
Yeah, you died.
I think that's what it would actually be like if you actually started turning into a zombie. You'd just start like thinking like Egglet.
That's basically dementia.
Fucking hell.
Imagine a dementia home where they started eating each other.
I'm sure it happens,
hell,
man.
they'd
I'm
try and
sure
cover
that
that
happens.
up,
I
mate.
really am. It's as close to
They
zombie
would
like.
fucking try and cover that shit
I
up.
haven't been in
obviously.
here yet, Louis. I found a fucking barracks with army bad guys
Nice one,
in.
Hold on. I'm just searching all this shit. Hold on, wait for me.
Oh fuck.
Wait for me.
Yeah, come. Quick.
Should I get a lump of coal?
You don't need now. We got loads of coal. But now this zombie's a cunt.
Hold on, man. Come on.
What a shot.
How the fuck did we get in here? I can't remember how to get out where we are.
Well, he's got rocket ammo as well. We're starting to get loads of rocket ammo. What's going on?
His rocket ammo.
Yeah, we've got to find a rocket. I've got rocket launcher parts as well. Do you use the rocket launcher, Alex?
Once, yeah.
Fun.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Right, what?
It's
I can't
fucking-
imagine there's mines in here. But
How could it be bad?
yeah.
I bet you can blow the fucking leglets off those zombies with that shit.
Fucking blow the fucking egglets back to the skillets, mate.
Skeglet.
We'll find knowledge, Mark. Knowledge.
Skeglet's gonna be my name. It's sort of affectionate for somebody who's a fucking complete moron.
Yeah.
Come on, Skeglet. Come on, Skeglet. Let's watch CCTV.
Do you want to watch your friends on CCTV?
Mike, did you just malfunction? You want to watch your friends on?
Is this you, Matt? No, he just ran
Yeah,
back. Matt comes
fucking
running
here we
over.
go.
Naked Matt.
You guys didn't pick up the bag that I dropped.
It's still
did you?
here now. It's still here.
I gave up on my bag in the end.
Did you? Yeah, how many times did you try?
4.
Fucking hell. I've got so much rocket ammo.
I got so much rocket.
So much reglet.
Absolutely
My
fucking.
skillet.
I'm the fucking Skeglet when it comes to reglet.
Egglatory. No, regulatory.
Skegulatory.
Skegulatory. Whatever company has those as a policy, like, what are the regulations here? The skegulations.
I'm sorry, that's against Skegolution.
Skegulatory. That's it. That's
We'll have to talk to our skegulatory body.
Tell you what, I can imagine this. If you got like a young person's work experience for you, and you started using that sort of language, and they just picked up on it, like,
They just,
fucking hell.
some fucking millennial goes back and starts talking about the boss as the Skegulor.
Found some decent stuff here. All right stuff.
I found nothing, but I'm just searching bin bags.
Just looking for the Skegulator. There's some kind of pasta here if anyone wants it.
Do you want some clothes, Matt?
Yeah, some good clothes in there.
Oh, that'd be great. Oh, that's what I've been crouched down all this time.
Fucking cross crouch, man.
Fucking absolute cross crouch. Fuck, that is so much faster.
Fucking hell! How did you get here? when did you set off? Yeah.
Fuck.
What were we talking about when you set off?
Fucking patience, mate.
Fucking squatted
Do you,
my
do, you,
way over.
do you remember me chatting about the pyramid? That was the start. Right.
I think I've got